All right, now we have the markets up. Now that's following the monthly jobs report that came out, and those numbers blew the estimates away. 250,000 jobs created versus estimates of 150,000. Now the unemployment rate that dropped and wages actually went up. So no matter how you look at it on the surface, this is good news. That's if you believe it, because the troubles in this economy, they remain. The layoffs, they continue. The bankruptcies, they continue. Now we just had Spirit Airlines announce that they may be filed for bankruptcy, and that stock is down 30%. And the bankruptcies, they're at multi-year highs, and they continue growing month over month. So despite the market being up, despite the headlines being rosy, the troubles in this economy remain. Now we had the port strike end, and we'll circle back around in 3 months where these guys, they're going to strike again. Now also on the good news front, Target announced earlier that they're going to be hiring 100,000 workers for the holiday season. Now, these are likely going to be temporary jobs, and after the holiday is over, these guys, they're going to get cut. But regardless, this is good news. Now, on to the bad. We had the EV maker Rivian. They cut their yearly guidance after announcing they're facing a part shortage, and that stock is off 8%. Now, probably the worst news of all today is oil. Oil continues to move up, and we have WTI at 74.5, Brent firmly over $78 a barrel. And we're going to have to watch this commodity for any more further upside, because as you know, the higher this goes, the more you're going to be paying at the pump. And right now, the U.S. consumer, they're going to need every penny they have coming into this holiday season, because on the other side, it's a very good likelihood that you're going to see a ton of Americans fall off the wayside. Now, news out today that credit card balances, they continue moving up, and the credit card debt that Americans owe is now past $1.4 trillion, and that averages out to north of $6,500 of credit card debt for the average American. And that's only going to grow after this year's holiday, and it's a good likelihood on the other side you're going to see this number at 7,000 plus. And as I've said, you're going to have a ton of wrecked credit scores and a slew of Americans just getting their credit limits slashed in half. Now this market's up, and we'll see if it remains this way. And for now, have a good weekend. This quick stock market commentary, please like and subscribe.